All right, biggest print to date. It's 7 inches high, not including the flag. Most of you can probably tell it's a castle of some sort. As you can see, there's stairs and a cool secret compartment. We do have a drawbridge. The drawbridge folds down and goes up. Awesome dragon on the front. Will it focus? There we go. Awesome dragon on the front. Most of you are probably like, what is this thing, right? Why would Chris invest? Let's see. So this part up here is separate from this part down here, and so was the flag, and so was the drawbridge and the trapdoor. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prints in total. This print here took 1 day, 1 hour, so about 25 and a half hours, I guess it was. This guy up here took, I think it was 7 hours, 7.5 hours or something like that. The drawbridge was only a couple hours. An hour for the trap sliding door, and then like an hour for, not even, like 40 minutes for the flagpole and stuff. But most of you are probably like, Chris, why would you invest almost 2 days worth of printing on this? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I got a 20-side dice that's used for many games, and this is truly what it's for. I put my 20-sided dice up here, and boom, it's a dice roller. And what did I get? I got a 10. So yeah, very cool print. Most likely show it once I got it painted, but I'm not going to paint another 10. I'm not going to paint it today because it probably will, there we go, 19. It'll probably be used tomorrow, honestly. The little trapdoor is actually meant for storing your dice. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to store the flag in the trapdoor when I'm traveling with it to go play Dungeons and Dragons. But yeah, I thought I'd share. Thanks for watching my 3-minute video. This is what you do out of boredom and for fun. Take care, guys. Have a great day.